Good day everyone. My name is Kevin Jacob B. Padilla from TEN Aquinas. My question is the future of the Philippines in terms of BPO industrialization. My answer is BPO are now among the big drivers of Philippines economic growth as they generated hundreds of thousands of jobs, foreign exchange revenues today. Today, the Philippines is a leading call center host. A Talon's 2013 survey listed the Philippines region and Metro Manila as the world's third top BPO destination, a fourth place in the 2012 survey from Talos, a strategic advisory firm in the southern city of Cebu. Meanwhile, up to the 8th place, while 5 other Philippine cities made it to the lower readers of this year to the 100 list. And then, business process outsourcing (BPO) is when a company contracts an outside provider for service as a business. And back in the years 2000, BPO wasn't as well known as today. Call centers were only starting in the Philippines, and foreign investors were very confident in our country's potential. Today, BPO has become a global trend in many countries, and the Philippines is in the main light. Now that our technologies are rapidly advancing, the growing number of talented and efficient workers, not to mention that our government completely extends their support. Philippines continues to be a prospect for the BPO industry. BPO also solves unemployment, catering jobs for many people, part-time or full-time, college graduate or not. More importantly, BPO industry plays a big part in boosting the country economic growth because many international outsourcing companies are planning to expand their business in the Philippines. It is also one of the factors why real estate business had prospered compared to the previous years. Furthermore, different foreign countries continue to offshore their business in our country. Talented and skilled Filipino workers are becoming well known as across the whole world. I believe that there is a promising future when it comes to this industry for our country. It is a fact that BPO industry is a strong force currently leading the Philippines economy to more achieving goals. And that's all for my answer for what is the future of the Philippines in terms of BPO industrialization. And that's all. Thank you.